Welcome to my honest review of Webull, where I'll give you a deep dive into this brokerage platform. If you're new to trading or looking to switch to a more advanced platform, Webull might already be on your radar. But is it worth the hype? Let's find out. Webull is known for its commission-free trading and user-friendly mobile app, but there's much more to the platform. To start with, Webull offers commission-free stock and ETF trading, and it's packed with advanced charting tools that are great for active traders. You also have access to extended trading hours and tools like real-time data and technical indicators. The app itself is well designed, making it easy for users to navigate, whether you're trading on your smartphone or desktop. The clean interface and user experience stand out among competitors. However, there are some downsides to Webull. While it offers paper trading and a variety of research tools, the platform doesn't support mutual funds, and customer service could be improved. If you're a beginner, the sheer number of tools may feel overwhelming, and Webull's education resources are somewhat limited compared to other brokers. Are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXPT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXPT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. Back to Webull. Opening an account is easy, and the minimum deposit required is $0, which makes it attractive for new investors or those with limited funds. But if you're looking for more premium features, Webull does offer a subscription to Level 2 market data, which gives more in-depth insights into stock price action. This can help if you're an active trader looking for extra tools. Another big draw of Webull is its options trading capabilities. Webull allows you to trade options with no commission fees, and this is a game changer for traders who focus on derivative markets. You can also leverage margin trading, although you'll need to deposit at least $2,000 to get started with that feature. When it comes to costs, while Webull is generally free to use, there are some fees to be aware of. There are charges for margin accounts, as well as fees for wire transfers and other specific transactions. These can add up over time, especially if you're trading frequently. On the plus side, Webull offers promotions from time to time, like free stops when you sign up or refer friends. This is a fun incentive for new users, but make sure you read the fine print on how the promotions work. To summarize, Webull is a solid option for active traders looking for a low-cost, feature-rich platform. But if you're a beginner or need more extensive educational resources, you may want to consider alternatives. For intermediate to advanced traders, though, Webull's advanced tools and commission-free trading make it a great choice. If this review has helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and tips on trading platforms.